what a lovely day. Well, it's very weird, though. Well, you know. It's so hard. Like, I've never been in such a rush. Like, it's very weird, but oh look, it's my friend. Let's go up to her. Hi. Hi. Are you ready for the trail? Yeah, sure. Okay, let me just tack up my horse. Oh, same. I'll have to tack up my horse. Oh, come on, wait for me. Well, I need to get on my horse first. Like, come on. La 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 la. Well, it's very funny that I'm in brown. Yeah, it's very funny. Oh, come on, stop, girl. Stop, girl. It's fine. Don't worry, girl. Nothing bad. Well, come back here, Murphy. And, well, your owner. Okay, like, follow me, guys. Okay. So fun. Being with my friends and all that stuff. Whee! I love this trail. It just reminds me of my childhood. Like, I love the trail. Love it. I just love the trail. Oh, well, I'll just go out there. Oh, wait. You went out of the trail. Out of the trail. I don't care. Well, it's only a trail, so I remember. And I know this place a lot. You know, we shouldn't be going somewhere like away from the trail, or else we'll get lost, Lila. Come on. Just stop calling me Lila. Just call me Tiffany. Okay, well. Tiffany! What? Just stop.